guys, my name's Nelson, and I am from... Wow. Why do I end like that? This is like the 15th take. Fucking hell. Running into a small issue with carrying a motorcycle to Tasmania on the back of the truck, and that is because we got a ladder in a spare tire. So our workaround for that is going to be designing a aluminum roof rack to hold the spare tire, the swags, and give us some room inside the cabin and canopy.
A wide shot of all the surfboards against the garage. You're gonna get a motorbike on the back of the truck or the carport. You get you up in the garage. Would be absolutely cooking, but again, I have no idea.